Check this one out. Vintage Saturn SL2 it looks like. Probably mid-90s, maybe late 90s, but I doubt it. Looks like it was sitting for a while, judging by the dirt along the bottom there. And it's been here 2 months. You see, it hasn't had a whole lot of pieces taken off of it. Saturn's just not being popular cars on the road anymore. Last one made in what, 2009, 2008, somewhere around there. A victim of the economic collapse we had last go around. But it's not in terrible shape. I mean, this car probably had a bad transmission or maybe a bad engine, and it was parked in somebody's yard, if I were going to guess, for a long period of time. And then eventually, you can see the hubcaps. Oh, those are for a Honda back there. But really, other than the stereo, if you look up front here, not a whole lot's been taken out of this car. And it's already been here almost 2 months. So it's probably going to scrap shortly. One thing that's kind of interesting, you just don't see this on cars anymore. Manual locks, manual crank up windows. It did have the automatic. And it had what? 160,000 miles? I don't have my glasses on. It looks like 160 to me. Interior held up pretty good. You can see the wear on that seat right there, but not torn, just kind of run. And the headliner's shot. Let's take a look at the motor. I mean, no one's interested. Look at that. That's pretty unusual. It's the later twin cam engine, a little quieter than the earlier style they had. But I mean, it's pretty much complete. Let me see, I'll put my glasses on here. We'll figure out what year this thing is. 1996. 96 model. Anyway, I love coming to the junkyard. I never get a chance to. There's none near where I live, but I used to haunt this place all the time looking for pieces to fix up cars that I was flipping. So it's a good opportunity to find stuff. That looks like a Nissan, maybe a Maxima or something there. But yeah, till next time.